In this video, you will learn about the help resources available in Canvas. Please note that your institution may reorder or remove links, or you may see custom links in the Help menu. To view your help resources, click the Help link in the Global Navigation menu. To look for an answer in the Canvas user guides, click the Search the Canvas Guides link. This link will take you to the Canvas guide space in the instructor community. You can search for a guide using the search field, or click an icon to view general Canvas guides, guides based on your user role, in-depth Canvas resources, or guides translated into non-English languages. Students can click the Ask Your Instructor a Question link. By clicking this link, you can send a message to your instructor in their Canvas inbox. Click the Which Course is this question about drop-down menu and select a course. Then type a message and click the Send Message button. To post your question in the Canvas question forum, click the Ask the Community link. In this space, you can search previously asked questions or ask a new question that can be answered by our vast community of experienced Canvas users. To access self-paced training resources on a variety of Canvas topics, click the Training Services Portal link. The Training Services Portal is available to institutions in the United States and select Canadian institutions that have chosen to participate. You can also view resources that are tailored to assist users with teaching and learning online. To view these resources, click the Video Conferencing Guides for Remote Classrooms link or COVID-19 Canvas Resources link. If you cannot find an answer to your question in the community, or a Canvas feature is not working as intended, you may need to contact Canvas support. To submit a support ticket, click the Report a Problem link. Enter a subject in the subject field and type a description of your problem. Provide as much detail as you can, including links to screenshots or screencasts. After describing your problem, select an option from the How is this affecting you drop-down menu. Click the Submit Ticket button to send your report to Canvas support. Thanks for watching this Canvas Help Resources video. To learn more about Canvas, ask questions, or engage with other Canvas users, please visit community.canvaslms.com. In this video, you will learn about the Canvas dashboard, sidebar, global navigation menu, and course interface. When you log into Canvas, you will see the global navigation menu, the dashboard, and the sidebar. The dashboard provides a high-level overview of your courses. The dashboard has two different viewing options, Course Card and Recent Activity. Course Card view displays a course card for each of your favorite courses. Each card can include up to 4 icons for announcements, assignments, discussions, and files. These icons mimic visibility and order in course navigation. Any new or unread activities are indicated on the appropriate icon with a number badge, and you can directly access these activities by clicking the icon. To help organize your dashboard, you can manage the settings for course cards by clicking the Options icon. In the Colors tab, you can enter a nickname for your course and change the color of the course card by selecting from the options or by entering a hex code. Click the Apply button to save your changes. In the Move tab, you can reorder your course cards on the dashboard. You can also manage the color overlay for all course cards with images. Click the Dashboard Options icon and select the Color Overlay option. The color of the course card still appears behind the More Options icon on the course card, and the setting applies to all course cards with images. Recent Activity view displays a stream of recent notifications from all your courses, including announcements, conversations, assignments, and discussions. New or unread activities are shown by an indicator dot. You can view the details of each activity by clicking the Show More link. To collapse recent activity, click the Show Less link. You can directly access your recent activities by clicking the link for that activity. To remove a notification, click the Remove icon. The sidebar includes a to-do list, a coming up feed, and a view grades button. If enabled by your institution, you will also see a Start a New Course button. The to-do list helps you keep track of assignments that you need to grade. Click any assignment link, and Canvas will open SpeedGrader for the assignment. Click the Remove icon next to any item to ignore the assignment. The Coming Up feed lists upcoming assignments and events within your courses. To create a new course, click the Start a New Course button. Then enter the course name, short name, and content license settings for your new course. To view grade information for your courses, click the View Grades button. You can quickly access grades for any of your courses and view student interactions reports. The Global Navigation menu gives you direct access to your courses and other areas of Canvas. This menu is accessible from any page within Canvas. Click the account link to log out of Canvas, specify your notification preferences, upload personal files, modify your user settings, manage e-portfolios, open shared content, scan a QR code to log into the Canvas Teacher app, view global announcements, and enable a high-contrast user interface. Click the Dashboard link to return to the Canvas dashboard. Click the Courses link to access your favorite courses or view a list of all your courses. Click the Groups link to access any groups in which you are enrolled or to view a list of all your groups. Click the Calendar link to view the global calendar, which shows assignments and events from each of your courses. Click the Inbox link to compose and send messages to students and other Canvas users. You can also view any existing messages. Click the History link to view up to 3 weeks of your Canvas course page view history. Click the Help link to access help resources, including the Canvas Guides, the Canvas Community, and Canvas Support. Now, let's take a look at the course interface. Click the Courses link in Global Navigation and click the name of a course you'd like to view. The course interface consists of 4 main components: Course Navigation, the Content area, the Breadcrumb Navigation, and the Sidebar. The Course Navigation menu provides links to the different areas of your course. This menu may be customized, so it may vary from course to course. You can collapse this menu by clicking the menu icon. When you click a link in Course Navigation, content from the corresponding area in Canvas will be displayed in the Content area. The Breadcrumb Navigation shows your current location within a course and allows you to easily return to a previous screen. The Course Sidebar is dynamic and will change depending on where you are within the course. It provides tools and resources to help you build and manage your course. Thanks for watching this Canvas Overview for Instructors video. To learn more about Canvas, ask questions, or engage with other Canvas users, please visit community.canvaslms.com. In this video, you will learn how to access and manage files in Canvas. To access your Canvas files, click the Account link in Global Navigation, then click the Files link. The Files page displays all files you have uploaded to your Canvas user files, course files, and group files. Files are organized in folders in the left panel. User files are listed in the My Files folder. Course and group files are organized in folders with the course or group name. You can also access course and group files through the course or group home page. To expand a folder, click the arrow icon. To view folder contents in the right panel, click the folder name. By default, files are sorted alphabetically. You can sort files by date created, date modified, who modified the file, and file size by clicking the corresponding column header. To search for a specific file, type in the search field. To add a folder within the folder currently displayed, click the Add Folder button. Type the folder name and click the check button. To upload one or multiple files to the current folder, click the Upload button. Select the files you'd like to upload, then click the Open button. You can also drag and drop files from your computer into Canvas folders. To move multiple files or folders into another folder, select the items you'd like to move by holding the Shift key on your keyboard and clicking the file or folder lines. Then drag and drop them into the corresponding folder. To manage a single file or folder, click the File or Folder row. A toolbar displays at the top of the window. You can use the toolbar to view the file or folder, manage access, download, or move or delete the file or folder. You can also view options to manage a file or folder in the File or Folders Options menu. To preview a file, click the file name. From the file preview, you can view file details and download the file. You can also zoom in or out and view the document in full screen. To close the file preview, click the Close link. Thanks for watching this Files Overview video. To learn more about Canvas, ask questions, or engage with other Canvas users, please visit community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn about the Assignments Index page, assignment groups, and assignment creation. To get started, click the Assignments link in Course Navigation. From the Assignments Index page, you can search for assignments, create assignment groups, add new assignments, and view a list of all assignments in your course. Every course includes one assignment group called Assignments. By default, any new assignment, discussion, or quiz you create is added to this assignment group. To create a new assignment group, click the Add Group button and enter an assignment group name in the Group Name field. To save the assignment group, click the Save button. From the Assignment Groups Options icon, you can edit the assignment group details and grading rules, delete the group, move assignments to other assignment groups, and change the placement of the assignment group on the Assignments Index page. If an assignment group includes grading rules, Canvas displays the number of rules in the assignment group header. Hover over the number of rules to view rule details. If you wish to weight the final course grade by assignment group, click the Options icon and select the Assignment Groups Weight link. Select the Weight Final Grade Based on Assignment Groups checkbox. Then enter your desired assignment group weights. If you create a 0% assignment group, any assignments in that group will not count toward the course grade. Click the Save button. View the assignment group weights on the Assignments Index page. You can manage an existing assignment using the Assignments Options icon. You can choose to edit the assignment, duplicate, move the assignment, delete it, send it to another instructor at your institution, or copy the assignment to another course in which you are enrolled. To create a new assignment, click the Add Assignment button. Give your assignment a title in the Assignment Name field, and add directions, media, and other instructional content using the new Rich Content Editor. Next, enter the assignment point value in the Points field, and select an assignment group from the Assignment Group drop-down menu. You can specify how the grade displays in the gradebook in the Display Grade As drop-down menu. If you'd like to exclude this assignment from the student's final grade, click the Do Not Count This Assignment Towards the Final Grade checkbox. The Submission Type drop-down menu allows you to decide how you'd like your students to submit the assignment. You can choose No Submission, Online, On Paper, or External Tool Submissions. To limit the number of allowed submission attempts, click the Submission Attempts drop-down menu and click the Limited option. Then enter the number of attempts you want to allow in the Number of Attempts field. You can also specify group assignment details and select peer review requirements. To add a due date, enter a date in the Due field. To allow students to view and submit work for the assignment within a specific date range, Enter dates in the Available From and Until fields. You can also assign the assignment to specific sections and students, or differentiate due dates for sections and students within your course. Click the Add button and type or select the section or student name in the Assign To field. Then add due and availability dates. To save the assignment as a draft, click the Save button. To save and publish your changes, click the Save and Publish button. Thanks for watching this assignments overview video. To learn more about Canvas, ask questions, or engage with other Canvas users, please visit community.canvaslms.com. In this video, you will learn how to create and manage quizzes in a Canvas course. To begin, click the Quizzes link in Course Navigation. To add a new quiz, click the Add Quiz button. If the New Quizzes feature has been enabled in your course, you may need to select your preferred quiz engine. To create a quiz using the Classic Quizzes tool, click the Classic Quizzes option, and click the Submit button. For more information about creating and managing quizzes with the New Quizzes tool, check out the New Quizzes overview video. Under the Details tab, give your quiz a name in the Quiz Name field, and add directions, media, and other instructional content using the new Rich Content editor. Select the quiz or survey type from the Quiz Type drop-down menu, and select an assignment group from the Assignment Group drop-down menu. You can manage how students view quiz questions and answers in the Options section. To limit student access to the quiz, use the options in the Quiz Restrictions section. Then add the due date and availability dates for the quiz. To add questions, click the Questions tab. You can add questions to your quiz using the Add New Question, Add New Question Group, and Find Questions buttons. To add individual questions and answers to a quiz, click the Add New Question button. Add a question title if desired, and select the question type from the drop-down menu. To adjust the question point value, update the points field. Type your question and add any relevant media and content using the new Rich Content editor. Then add possible answers in the Answers fields. To mark an answer as correct, hover over the correct answer and click the arrow icon. To include feedback for an answer, click the Answer Comments button. Type your comments and click the Done button. To save your quiz question, click the Update Question button. You can also create question groups in a quiz. Question groups allow you to place multiple questions within a group for students to answer. To create a question group, click the Add New Question Group button. Add a title, then select the number of questions students should see from the question group, and specify the number of points per question. You can add question bank questions by clicking the Link to a Question Bank link. Click the Create Group button. To add quiz questions to a question group, click the Add New Question button, or drag and drop existing questions into the question group. To add questions from a question bank into your quiz, click the Find Questions button. Select the question bank you'd like to use. You can select all questions in the bank by clicking the Select All link. Or you can select an individual question by clicking the Questions checkbox. You can add the question directly to a question group using the Add Questions to the Question Group drop-down menu. Then click the Add Questions button. To save your quiz as a draft, click the Save button. To save and publish your quiz, click the Save and Publish button. After saving your quiz, Canvas displays the quiz details, including the quiz due date. You can also preview the student quiz-taking experience by clicking the Preview button. On the Quizzes Index page, you can manage existing quizzes. To manage a quiz, select the Quizzes Options icon. To edit quiz details, questions, or answers, click the Edit option. To delete the quiz, click the Delete option. To migrate your quiz to the New Quizzes tool, click the Migrate option. To send the quiz to another instructor at your institution, click the Send To option. To copy the quiz to another course in which you are enrolled, click the Copy To option. Thanks for watching this Quizzes Overview video. To learn more about Canvas, ask questions, or engage with other Canvas users, please visit community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn about Canvas course announcements. You can use announcements to communicate course information to students. For example, you can remind students of upcoming coursework, share useful resources, or celebrate student success. To create a new announcement from the course homepage, click the New Announcement button. You can also create a new announcement and manage existing announcements from the Announcements page. Search for an announcement by typing a keyword or username in the search field. To view announcements you haven't read yet, select Unread from the Filter drop-down menu. Click an Announcements Options icon to delete the announcement or allow or disallow comments. You can also select multiple announcements and click the Lock button to allow or disallow comments for all selected announcements, or click the Delete button to delete all selected announcements. You can create a new announcement by clicking the Add Announcement button. On the Announcements Details page, add a title in the Topic Title field. Then, use the Rich Content Editor to add and format your announcement content. Click the Post To drop-down menu to select which sections will receive the announcement. You can also add an attachment. Delay posting the announcement until a future date. Allow users to comment. Enable a podcast feed. And allow liking. To save and post your announcement, click the Save button. Announcement notifications will be sent to users according to their notification preferences. To change course announcement settings, click the Settings link in Course Navigation. And click the More Options link. You can show recent announcements on the course homepage. Select the number of announcements that display on the homepage, and disable comments on all announcements. Thanks for watching this Announcements Overview video. To learn more about Canvas, ask questions, or engage with other Canvas users, please visit community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn how to create and manage pages in Canvas. Using pages, you can add, format, and display content and educational resources that are part of your course. To get started, click the Pages link in Course Navigation. If you have selected a front page, click the View All Pages button. To add a new page, click the Add Page button. Give your page a title in the Title field, then add text, media, and other instructional content using the new Rich Content Editor. Depending on your settings, you can manage editing access for your page by clicking the Options drop-down menu. By default, only teachers can edit pages. To add the page to students' to-do lists, click the Add to Student To-Do checkbox. To notify users of changes made to the page, click the Notify Users that this content has changed checkbox. To save your page as a draft, click the Save button. To save and publish your page in your course, click the Save and Publish button. After pages have been added to a course, they will display in the Pages Index page. The Index page displays page titles, creation dates, last edit information, and, if applicable, the to-do date. To sort any of these columns in ascending or descending order, click the arrow next to the header. You can bulk delete pages by clicking the checkboxes of applicable pages and clicking the delete icon. To publish or unpublish a page from the index, click the Publish icon. Click the Options icon to edit, delete, or duplicate the page. You can also choose to copy the page to another course in which you are enrolled, or send the page to another instructor at your institution using the Copy to and Send to options. To set the page as the front page, select the Use as Front Page link. The selected front page displays when a user clicks on the Pages link in course navigation and, depending on your settings, can show as the course home page. Once selected, a front page tag displays next to the page title. To view a history of revisions made to a page, open the page by clicking the page title. Then click the Options icon and select View Page History. Anyone with page edit permission can view revision details, including the date, time, and author. To view a previous version of the page, click the revision date in the Revision History sidebar. To restore a previous version of the page, click the Restore This Version link. Thanks for watching this Pages Overview video. To learn more about Canvas, ask questions, or engage with other Canvas users, please visit community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn how to customize your course homepage. Your course homepage is the first thing users see when they enter your course, and you can customize the look of this page to best suit the needs of your course. To view the course homepage customization options, click the Choose Homepage button in the sidebar. You'll see 5 homepage options: Course Activity Stream, Pages Front Page, Course Modules, Assignments List, and Syllabus. The sidebar display for each homepage option varies for students and instructors. However, each homepage option includes the To-Do section and a list of upcoming course activities. The Course Activity Stream is the default homepage option for all Canvas courses. With this option selected, the homepage displays the most recent course announcements, assignment and discussion updates, and conversations in your course. The Pages Front Page option allows you to design a custom course homepage using pages. Your page can include links, images, and a variety of other media content. For more details about creating and setting a front page in your course, watch the Pages Overview video or visit the Canvas guides. The Course Modules and Assignments List options display the modules or assignments index pages. With Course Modules set as your home page, users will see all files, assignments, pages, and other course content you have organized in modules when they log into your course. With Assignments List set as your home page, users will see the list of all assignments, discussions, and quizzes published in your course. Additionally, the sidebar displays an upcoming assignments list. The Syllabus homepage option displays the syllabus page as your course homepage. The syllabus page may include a description of course expectations or introduce the course with customized content. The course summary section displays a list of all assignments, discussions, quizzes, and course events. The syllabus homepage includes an Edit Syllabus Description button for instructors, and the sidebar displays a calendar link and, if your course uses assignment weights, an assignment weights chart. You can also choose to display your recent course announcements on your course homepage. Click the Settings link in Course Navigation, and in the Course Details section, click the More Options link. Select the Show Recent Announcements on Course Homepage checkbox. You can set the homepage to display up to 15 recent announcements. You've now completed this tutorial video on course homepage customization. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn how to create and manage modules in your course. Modules are used to organize your course content or create a learning path for students. To access modules, click the Modules link in Course Navigation. To create a new module, click the Add Module button. Then type a name for your module in the Name field. If you would like to prevent students from accessing the module until a specific date and time, select the Lock Until option and enter the date and time. Click the Add Prerequisite link to indicate another module that must be completed before a student can access this module. You will only see the Add Prerequisite link if you have created at least one other module. Prerequisites can be added or modified later if needed. To create the module, click the Add Module button. After a module is created, you can add content to it by clicking the Add icon. Click the Add drop-down menu to select the type of content. You can add an assignment, quiz, file, page, discussion, text header, external URL, or external tool. Next, click the title of the item you'd like to add to the module, or select the Create Item option to create a new content item. If you choose the Create Item option, you will need to complete the fields that display. To indent the item in your module, click the Indentation drop-down menu. To add the content to your module, click the Add Item button. In the Module Options menu, you can edit module settings, move module contents, move the module, delete the module, duplicate the module, send the module to another user, or copy the module to another course. Once you have added module items, you can add requirements, which lay out actions that must be completed before a student can progress in the module. To add requirements, click the Options icon for a module. Then click Edit. Next, click the Add Requirement link. Content must already be added to a module before you will be able to add an associated requirement. You can then select to have students complete all requirements or just one requirement from the list. If you select the option for students to complete all requirements, you can choose to have students complete the requirements in sequential order. Click the Requirement drop-down menu to select an item. Then, click the Action drop-down menu to select the action that is required for the item. Repeat these steps until all requirements are defined. When you're finished adding requirements, click the Update Module button. From the Module Item Options menu, you can increase or decrease indent, edit the item, duplicate the item, move the item, access mastery paths settings if enabled, remove the item from the module, send the module item to another user, or copy the module item to another course. To rearrange module items, click the drag handle and move your content to the desired location. To publish a module, click the Unpublished icon. After publishing, all items in the module will be published and students will be able to view the module. To unpublish a module, click the Published icon. You can also publish or unpublish individual content items within each module by clicking the item's Publish or Unpublish icon. Students will only see content items and modules that have been published. Thanks for watching this module's overview video. To learn more about Canvas, ask questions, or engage with other Canvas users, please visit community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn how to use SpeedGrader to grade and comment on assignment submissions. You can access SpeedGrader by clicking an assignment name in the to-do list from the gradebook or from any assignment, graded discussion, or quiz. The SpeedGrader menu bar includes tools and information to assist with grading assignments. Click the gradebook icon to go back to the gradebook page. Click the visibility icon to view options to post or hide grades. The visibility icon may display differently depending on your posting policy or if grades are already posted or hidden. Click the settings icon to manage your SpeedGrader display options, see keyboard shortcuts, and access SpeedGrader help. The menu bar also displays the assignment name with a link to the assignment's details page and due date. You can also view general assignment statistics, including the number of graded submissions and students included in the assignment, the average score for all graded submissions, and the order of the submission you are viewing in the list of students. To view the next or previous submission, click the arrows next to the student name. You can also click the drop-down menu and select the name of the student whose submission you would like to view. Student submissions appear in the left frame. If the file is supported in DocViewer, you can add comments and annotations directly to the file. To the right, the SpeedGrader sidebar displays student submission information and grading tools. The top of the sidebar displays the assignment submission date and time. File uploads include a link to download the submission. To grade an assignment, you can manually enter a score in the grade field. Or if you attached a rubric to the assignment, you can click the View Rubric button to use the criterion to compile a score. If you selected to use the rubric for grading, select the criteria from the rubric and click the Save button. The grade box will update automatically using the points set in the rubric. You can also leave submission comments for the student in the sidebar. Type your comment in the text box, upload an attachment, or leave a media comment. Click the Submit button to save your comment. When you grade a discussion, SpeedGrader displays an individual student's posts and replies in a discussion topic. To view the responses in context, click the View the Full Discussion link at the top of the page. When grading a quiz, move from question to question by clicking the question numbers. You've now completed this tutorial video on SpeedGrader. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn how to use the Courses page, as well as how to manually create a course within your account. To get started, click the admin link in Global Navigation, and then click the name of the account. By default, the account opens to the Courses page. If you have organized courses in your account by sub-accounts, click the sub-accounts link to locate and open a sub-account and view the sub-account's courses. At the top of the Courses page, you will see options for filtering and searching. You can filter the course list by terms, including active and past terms, using the Terms drop-down menu. To search by course name or teacher, select the corresponding option from the Search By drop-down menu, and type the name of the course or instructor in the search field. If you want to hide courses with no student enrollments, click the Hide Courses Without Students checkbox. If Blueprint courses are enabled in your account and you want to filter to view only Blueprint courses, click the Show Only Blueprint Courses checkbox. On the Courses page, you will also see a list of the courses in your account. Published courses include a checkmark icon, and unpublished courses do not display an icon. Unpublished courses are only accessible to teachers and course designers who are enrolled in the course, as well as account admins. Each item includes the name of the course SysID, term, teacher, and sub-account. The course list can be sorted by any of those columns. Each item may also include the number of students enrolled in the course, as well as links to add users to the course, view course analytics, and access settings for the course. To access a course, click the name of the course. To manually add a new course, click the Add Course button. In the Add a New Course modal, enter a name for the course and a reference code for the course. The reference code is a short name for the course and will display above course navigation. Select a sub-account for the course to reside in. Finally, select a term for the course. By default, manually created courses are placed in the default term, which doesn't have specific dates attached. When you've finished entering information for the course, click the Add Course button. You've now completed this tutorial video on courses. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn how to find and manually add users in your account, as well as how to view and manage user information. To get started, click the admin link in Global Navigation, and then click the name of the account. In Account Navigation, click the People link. The People page displays a list of all the users in the account. Each item includes the user's name, email, SIS ID, and last login date. Each item also includes links to manage the user. To act as, or masquerade as, the user, click the masquerade icon. Masquerading allows you to view Canvas as that user would. You can take actions as the user, but audit logs will show you took the action. To send the user a message through the inbox, click the message icon. And to edit the user's name, default email, or time zone, click the edit icon. In the Options menu, you can manage account-level user options, including profile pictures and user groups. On the People page, you can manually add a user to the account. Note that adding a user with this method adds them to the account, but doesn't add any enrollments. Click the Add People button and enter a full name for the user. If desired, you can enter a display name or a sortable name for the user. Enter the user's email address, which they will use to log in, and an SIS ID, which is a unique ID for the user that can be used in SIS imports. To have Canvas email the user about their account creation, click the Email the user about this account creation checkbox. When you have entered all the information, click the Add User button. You can use the global settings at the top of the page to filter or search for users. To filter by role, select a role from the Role drop-down menu and type the user's name in the search field. To view a user's details page, click the user's name. On the user details page, you can view information about the user. The name and email section includes basic information about the user, including their name, profile picture, default email, and time zone. This section also includes links to edit the user's basic information, act as the user, merge the user, or delete the user. The Login Information section lists the user's logins. You can edit or delete a login using the Edit or Delete icons, or you can add a new login for a user by clicking the Add Login link. The Enrollments section lists all of a user's enrollments. Enrollments are listed by course and group. If the user is an admin, their account enrollments will also be listed. The user's page views are listed at the bottom of the page. The page view table lists the URL, date, whether or not the user participated in the page, the interaction time within the page, and the user's browser agent, which can be either a browser or mobile app. You can download the page views as a CSV file by clicking the CSV link. If you are viewing a student's profile, you can view their outcome results across the entire account by clicking the See Outcome Results link. To send the user a message using the inbox, click the Message User button. To pair the account with an observer, click the Pair with Observer button. You've now completed this tutorial video on the People page. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com. In this video, you will learn where to find statistics and analytics at the account, course, and individual user level. To view your account statistics, click the Statistics link in Account Navigation. The Statistics page displays a snapshot view of activity in an account. The General Numbers section displays the number of published active courses in the account, the number of teachers and students active in the account within the last 30 days, and the number of users who have recently logged into the account. The File Storage section displays the storage requirements and number of uploaded files and media files in the account. To view a graph showing data since your account was created, or to download the data as a CSV file, click the Over Time link. The Recent Activity Statistics display data for recently started courses, recently ended courses, and recently logged in users. To view additional account analytics, click the Analytics link in Account Navigation. Please note that the option to view analytics is a user role permission. The Account Analytics page displays analytics for your account's default term. You can view analytics for another term by clicking the Term drop-down menu and selecting a term. Across the top of the Account Analytics page, you can view the general numbers for your account. The Activity by Date graph displays the number of page views and actions taken by a user within a course on a given day. Hover over the graph to view more detailed information. The Activity by Category graph displays the number of page views by category, such as assignments, quizzes, and modules. The Grade Distribution graph displays the distribution of current grades across all students enrolled in courses. By default, Account Analytics display as charts. To switch between a chart and table layout, click the View Graph, View Table toggle. You can also view course analytics from within a course. Click the Courses link in Account Navigation and search or select the course for which you'd like to view analytics. In the course sidebar, click the Analytics link. Note that if you cannot view analytics, your institution has restricted this feature. By default, Course Analytics display as charts. To switch between a chart and table layout, click the View Graph, View Table toggle. The Course Analytics page displays an activity by date, a submissions, and a grades graph. You can also view general analytics for all students in the course, including page views, participation, submissions, including which submissions are late, on time, or missing, and the student's current scores. To view detailed analytics for an individual student, click the student's name. View analytics for another student by clicking the Student drop-down menu and selecting the name of the student. You've now completed this tutorial video on statistics and analytics. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn how to create, edit, and set permissions for account and course level roles. To access roles and permissions, click the Permissions link in Account Navigation. Permissions control user access to Canvas features. Canvas includes several default roles. Default course roles include students, instructors, TAs, observers, and designers. Account admin is the only default account role. Additional roles can be added at the course or account level as needed. You can create custom roles by clicking the Add Role button. Enter a name for the new role, and if you're creating a course level role, select a base user type in the drop-down menu. Each base role has default permissions. When you select a user type for a new role, the new role will inherit the default permissions for the user type you select. Custom account roles automatically inherit all permissions. Please note that you can customize the permissions for custom roles in the Permissions page. When you have entered all the information for the role, click the Save button. You can search permissions and filter by role on the Permissions page. To view an overview of a role, click the name of the role. In the Role sidebar, you can view the name of the role, the base type of the role, and the last time the role was updated. If you are viewing a custom role, You can edit the role name or delete the role. You can also view and edit assigned and unassigned permissions. To edit a permission, click the check or X icon and select an option from the menu. In the Permissions page, you can view an overview about all the roles and permissions in the account. Click the name of a permission to view information about that specific permission. In the Permissions sidebar, you can view an overview of the permission, including what the permission does, additional considerations, and the status of the permission for all roles in the account. An X icon indicates that a permission is disabled. A checkmark icon indicates that a permission is enabled. Permission icons that are not opaque indicate permissions that are locked and cannot be changed. Click a permission icon to enable or disable the permission. When setting a permission, you have 5 options: enable, enable and lock, disable, disable and lock, and use default. Permissions are saved automatically as they are modified. However, it may take some time before the permissions take effect in the account. You've now completed this tutorial video on permissions. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn how to create, manage, and use question banks at the account and course levels. Account-level question banks can be used to create institutional or departmental question repositories. To get started, click Question Banks in Account Navigation. To create a new question bank, click the Add Question Bank button. Type the name of the question bank in the field. Press Return or Enter to create the question bank. Click the bookmark icon to bookmark the question bank. Bookmarking allows users to quickly identify favorite or frequently used question banks. To open your new question bank, click the title. To add questions, click the Add a Question button. Note that you cannot import questions into the question bank. Select the question type in the drop-down menu. After selecting the question type, add your question and other content in the Rich Content Editor. Then add your answers. Click the arrow next to the correct answer. To add comments to the answers, click the comment box and type your comments. Students will only see these comments when the quiz is submitted. To save your comment, click the Done button. To save the question, click Update Question. Repeat this process for all questions. To change the name of the question bank, click Edit Bank Details. To move multiple questions from one bank to another, click Move Multiple Questions. To delete the question bank, click Delete Bank. To bookmark your question bank, click the Bookmark this bank button. To align an outcome with the question bank, click Align Outcome. To use question banks in a course, open a quiz, click the Edit button, then select the Questions tab. To find your question bank, click the Find Questions button. You will see a list of question banks, including course and account-level question banks. Click the name of the question bank you want to use. Check the boxes next to the questions you wish to copy to your quiz. To select all the questions, click the Select All link. To add the selected questions to a different question group, click the drop-down list and create a new group or select an existing question group. When you've selected all the questions you want to use, click the Add Questions button. The questions will be added to your quiz. You've now completed this tutorial video on question banks. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn how you can structure your Canvas account's organizational hierarchy using accounts and sub-accounts. You will also learn how to add and manage sub-accounts. In Canvas, the term account refers to an organizational unit. Every instance of Canvas has a top-level or root account. Within the root account, sub-accounts are often used to manage permissions and organizational hierarchy within an institution. You may create as many sub-accounts and sub-accounts within sub-accounts as necessary. Additionally, you can add admins to accounts and sub-accounts, allowing them to configure resources such as courses, user roles, and question banks that may differ from one account to another. By default, account settings and user privileges set at an account level flow down to sub-accounts. However, settings and user privileges set at a sub-account level will not flow back up to the account level. To create your account's organizational structure with sub-accounts, click the Sub-Accounts link in Account Navigation. On the Sub-Accounts page, you can view a list of the existing sub-accounts within your account. Ask yourself the following questions before creating sub-accounts. First, do you want your account structure to mirror your institution's organizational structure? Second, are there data or reports that benefit you if you view them from the sub-account level? Third, whom do you want to have admin access and where? And lastly, what types of shared resources such as outcomes, rubrics, grading schemes, or question banks do you want your users to have access to and at which level? To add a new sub-account to your account or to an existing sub-account, click the Add icon and enter a name for the new sub-account. Press Return or Enter to save the newly created sub-account. From the Sub-Accounts page, you can also view a sub-account by clicking the account name, edit a sub-account name, and delete sub-accounts. Please note that sub-accounts with courses cannot be deleted. To expand or collapse the list of sub-accounts on the sub-account page, click the Expand or Collapse icons. You've now completed this tutorial video on account structure. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn about terms. A term is a period of time a course takes place in, such as a semester, trimester, or quarter. To view existing terms, click the admin link in Course Navigation and select the account you'd like to update. Then click the Terms link in the Account Navigation menu. The Terms page will display terms that have been previously created or imported. To add a new term, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Add New Term link. Enter the name of the term in the Term Name field. If you want to assign courses to the term using a sys import, enter a sysID in the sysID field. To set the term's overall start and end dates, use the Term Runs From and To fields. To assign different term dates for students, enter dates in the Students Can Access From and To fields. If teachers, TAs, or designers require early access to set up their courses, or late access to complete grading, you can modify the access dates for that role to be outside of the overall term dates. To set different availability dates for teachers, TAs, or designers, use the Access From and To date fields. Outside of term and access dates, users will have read-only access to courses. To save the new term details, click the Add Term button. To assign a course to a term, click the Courses link in the Account Navigation menu, find the course you want to assign to a term, and click the Settings icon. In Course Settings, select the term from the drop-down menu. Please note that instructors can override the student access dates set at the account in their course settings. You've now completed this tutorial video on terms. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn about account settings. To open account settings, click the admin link in Global Navigation. Click the name of the account, and click the settings link in Account Navigation. Account settings includes several tabs. In the Settings tab, you can edit the account name, manage the account's default language, time zone, self-enrollment options, trusted HTTP referrers, and default dashboard view. You can also manage other account settings by selecting or deselecting setting checkboxes. You can also view Canvas Cloud information, manage the Slack API key, personal pronouns, quiz IP address filters, and account features. In the Help Menu Options section, you can customize the help menu name and icon that appears in Global Navigation. You can also manage which links display in the menu, change the order in which they display, and add custom links. Lastly, in Account Settings, you can manage Similarity Detection platform settings, enabled web services, and manage who can create new courses. To manage account quotas, click the Quotas tab. You can adjust default account quotas for courses, users, and groups. You can also adjust quotas for a specific course or group in the Manually Settable Quotas section. To customize Canvas notification sender settings, click the Notifications tab. Here you can set a custom From Sender name for notifications in the account, and choose to enable a one-time pop-up warning for users on the Notification Preferences page. To view and manage admins in your account, click the Admins tab. You can view all admins and their admin role. You can remove an admin by clicking the Remove icon. To add an admin to the account, click the Add Account Admins button. To create a global announcement, click the Announcements tab. You can send global announcements to all users in the account or to specific users using the Add New Announcement button. To run reports about data in your account, click the Reports tab. To view details about a report, click the question mark icon. To download the last run version of the report, click the Download icon. To configure settings to customize a report, click the Configure button. To run a report, click the Run Report button. To view and manage LTI apps in your account, click the Apps tab. You can manage the app list by clicking the Manage App List button and view app configurations by clicking the View App Configurations button. In the Feature Options tab, you can enable or disable feature options by default and choose to lock or unlock feature options for editing at the sub-account or course levels. Feature options are divided into two sections, Account and Course. Features are listed in one of those sections depending on the feature's functionality level. To view a description of a feature option, click the Options arrow icon. As an account level admin, you can choose to enable or disable features by default in the account and all sub-accounts. If a feature can be edited at the sub-account or course level, you can choose to lock or allow editing of the default feature state at the sub-account or course level. To manage settings for a feature option, click the feature's state icon. If the Content Security Policy feature option is enabled in your account, a Security tab displays. In the Security tab, you can manage the Content Security Policy settings and manage which domains are on the account's allow list. Thanks for watching this account settings overview video. To learn more about Canvas, ask questions, or engage with other Canvas users, please visit community.canvaslms.com.
In this video, you will learn about groups in Canvas. The Groups feature allows you to work in small groups with your classmates to collaborate on assignments, projects, and presentations. To access all groups in which you are a member, click the Groups link in Global Navigation. To visit a group home page, click the name of the group. You can also access course-specific groups directly from your course. In Course Navigation, click the People link. Then click the Groups tab, or in the Options drop-down menu, click the View User Groups link. On the Groups page, you will see a list of all course groups. Click the arrow next to any group name to view group details. If there are any self-sign-up groups available to join, you can join the group by clicking the Join link. If you want to leave a group, click the Leave link next to the group name. Please note that you may not be able to leave groups you are assigned to by your instructor. To view a group home page, click the Visit link. You can only access groups in which you are a member. The group home page includes a group navigation menu to access group features, a group content area that displays recent activity, and a sidebar with links to edit the group and create a group announcement and a group coming up feed. Your instructor may use groups to organize assignment submissions. Group assignment submissions are similar to regular assignment submissions. However, your instructor may require one submission for the entire group or request that each group member submit the assignment individually. You can also create and participate in discussions and collaborations within a group. Discussions allow you to create and participate in discussions with members of your group. Collaborations allow you to create shared documents with members of your group. You've now completed this overview video on groups. For additional information on this or any other topic about Canvas, please visit guides.canvaslms.com. You can also ask questions and engage with other Canvas users by visiting community.canvaslms.com.